Right, Dresda Honda. When the customer dropped it off, he said, I'll see you in 2 years. Well, it's been a year and I ain't done a lot. But here we are. I'm just draining the oil out the frame so I can get the frame apart. I'm going to paint that. I think it was painted before. Yeah, that's only paint. So that should be quite simple to rub down and repaint it. Use a bit of acid etch and away we go. So basically I've got a year left. But come and have a look, I've done a bit. This is the engine, I've tidied all that up. Got some chrome plating coming back. That's tidied up from being just a big lump of white fur. Not everything we've put back on is brand new. It's a little bit of a compromise on the restoration financially. So we can't go mad. But that's that bit so far. I'll get the frame stripped and start rubbing it down. Got the chrome plating for that, that's away, and the kickstart's away. Being done. We go from there.